Hi, it's Tia. Today we are going to make delicious cinnamon buns. You can make soft, fluffy, and aromatic cinnamon buns in just a few simple steps. First, we'll be preparing the dough mixture. You'll need flour 2½ cups, now time for the milk, 1/2 cup, now the butter, 3/4 cup, add sugar, 2 teaspoons, yeast, 1 teaspoon, you'll need an egg. Don't forget to add the salt, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. We are going for a thick and stringy consistency. This may take a little time to achieve, but we'll get there. Okay, put the mix to one side and let it sit for 35 minutes. Now we'll prepare the filling. Add butter 1/4 cup, brown sugar 1/2 cup, cinnamon powder 2 teaspoons, and mix contents well. Perfect! Time to grease the oven tray. Lightly sprinkle flour onto your rolling surface. This will be for the dough that was left to sit. Place the dough on the prepared surface. Okay, roll the dough neatly into a rounded square. It doesn't need to be perfect. Spread the cinnamon mix onto the square base. Okay, fold the top and bottom of the base over like I have, and remove the edges. Cut it into small slices, preferably long and thin. Carefully cut 3 strands into each slice. Twist, plait, and roll as required. And do this with all the rest of the slices. Great! Now brush milk onto the buns for texture. Make sure to cook in the oven for 12 to 18 minutes. Lightly dust with icing sugar. Amazing! Hey, enjoy your delicious cinnamon buns! Thanks for watching my tutorial cooking video on how to make delicious cinnamon buns. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now ready to impress your friends and family with your amazing baking skills. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about this recipe, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers, and I'll do my best to respond to each and every one of you. Thanks again for watching, and happy baking.